In civil engineering, every project begins with lines on a screen, boundaries, elevations, contours, and drainage paths that slowly take shape into a functioning design. Yet behind those lines lies an element that quietly determines the project's true success: the design review. It is one of the most underestimated stages in the design process, often seen merely as a formality before submission. But the truth is, thoughtful design reviews can shape not just the quality of a project, but the reputation and efficiency of an entire engineering team. As we get started, share your thoughts in the comments. How does your team approach design reviews? Are they just another step in the process, or a genuine opportunity to learn and improve? A design review is much more than a technical checkpoint. It is where errors are caught before they turn into costly field revisions, where compliance is ensured before the submittal stage, and where constructability is tested against real-world conditions. A single adjustment in a grading plan can save thousands of dollars in material and earthwork. A refined drainage layout can prevent flooding years down the line. A second pair of eyes can transform a set of drawings from acceptable to exemplary. These are not minor gains, they are the foundation of long-term project reliability. In an age when speed and cost often dominate conversations, design reviews bring balance back to the equation. They slow down the rush just enough to ensure that every decision made is defensible, buildable, and enduring. Many project setbacks in the industry do not come from a lack of effort, but from the lack of structured review. A mislabeled elevation, a misaligned utility, or a misunderstood note can lead to days, even weeks, of delay once construction begins. When design reviews are performed systematically, they reduce these risks, increase efficiency, and reinforce the reputation of both the engineers and the firms behind them. Beyond safeguarding quality, design reviews serve a deeper purpose within every engineering organization. They are the invisible classrooms where experience is transferred. Junior engineers gain an understanding of real-world implications, while senior engineers refine their leadership through mentorship. In a collaborative review process, knowledge moves across generations and disciplines, creating teams that are not only accurate but also aligned in thought and method. The culture of review is, in essence, the culture of growth. This philosophy is embedded into the operations of AXA engineers. Within every project, each drawing undergoes multiple layers of verification, self-checking by the engineer, cross-checking by a peer, and final validation by the project lead. This structured approach, often referred to as a three-layer quality system, ensures precision while encouraging accountability and shared learning across the entire team. It represents a commitment to consistency, where quality is never left to chance. Design reviews also bring measurable business advantages. They reduce rework, streamline approvals, and strengthen client confidence. Firms that integrate review as a core part of their workflow tend to achieve faster turnaround times without compromising quality. More importantly, they develop a reputation for reliability, a trait that attracts repeat clients and long-term partnerships. Every hour invested in review can save many more during construction, turning what some perceive as an expense into one of the smartest investments in project management. In the broader landscape of global engineering, structured design review systems have become a mark of maturity. They demonstrate that a firm values not only technical excellence but also responsibility, foresight, and professionalism. AXA Engineers exemplifies this approach by applying rigorous review frameworks across all outsourced civil engineering services. The team's process-driven culture and continuous improvement mindset allow design firms to scale operations confidently, knowing that their drawings are handled with care, accuracy, and a deep respect for technical standards. A thoughtful design review is not just a safeguard, it is a statement of integrity. It transforms engineering from a process of production into a discipline of reflection. It reminds us that great design isn't measured only by speed or budget, but by how well it endures the test of time. In every successful project, there is always a moment when someone paused, looked closer, and made the design stronger. That moment, quiet, deliberate, and precise, is where true engineering begins. Now that you've seen why design reviews matter, What's the most valuable insight you've ever gained from one? Share your experience below. Your lesson might just help another engineer see their next project differently.